In this video, I'm going to show you how to make site title bigger in Squarespace. Unfortunately, Squarespace have made this a little bit more tricky than it needs to be because there isn't actually a function or a setting that we can just click on and increase only the font size of the site title. So for example, if you go here in the top right corner of the screen and click on site styles, and then we go to heading here, and we try to increase the base size. As you can see, it's currently 16px. If you go up a little bit, you can see that the site title gets bigger, but so does everything else in the header right here, which is not what we want. The good news is that we can actually make this work. All we have to do is use a piece of code, which you can find in the description of this video. It's completely free, so go ahead and copy it, and then come back to your Squarespace website. Make sure that you're not in the actual editor, but you can see the side menu on the left hand side here. So once you've copied the code, go ahead and click on this search button right here in the top left corner, and then search for CSS, just like that, and then click on custom CSS. Then on the left hand side here, you will see this CSS box. Go ahead and paste the code that you copied from the video description, and then your site title will increase in size. And if you pay attention, none of the other texts on the website have been increased in size. Now, in terms of the actual size of this, if you go to the actual code on line 2, you can see that the current font size is 48px. We can make this 70 if you want to, or we can reduce it to 40 just to make this a little bit smaller than this. And yeah, as you can see, it changes automatically. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make site title bigger in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.